Good morning. My name is Samiran Doley. My roll number is 200107071 and this is my ME110 metal sheet project. So today we are gonna make a wall storage tray from a metal sheet. So let me first introduce you with the materials required. This is a demo paper cutout of the tray, and this is the metal sheet where we're gonna trace the cutout. And this is a scale for measuring purposes. And this is a marker and cutter for marking purpose. And this is a hammer for smoothing the edges and making holes. And this is a plier for bending purpose. And this is a scissor with which we are gonna cut the sheet. And this is a nail which we are gonna use to make holes in the sheet. So let's now begin the work. So now we are gonna mark the outline of the cutout in the sheet. We are gonna take measurements in the sheet and mark lines for the cutout. I have taken half of the scale given in the details of the project. So now we have drawn the outline rectangle of the cutout, and now we are gonna draw the further details. So as you can see, we have drawn all the outline of the cutout. Now we will proceed to the next step, which is cutting of the metal sheet. So we are gonna use the scissor for the cutting purpose. This should be done very carefully, and make sure that you cut the metal sheet along the outline marks only. And also cut out the residue materials along, as it will cause difficulties in further cutting. So now we have cut out the development surface of the tray, and as you can see, it is exactly similar to the demo cutout. So now we are gonna make holes in the sheet. As you can see, I have marked the points where there's gonna be a hole. So we are gonna use the nail and the hammer for making holes. So the making of the holes is completed, and as you can see the sheet is little bit bended due to making of the holes, so we are gonna use the plier to reshape it. So our next task is to bend the sheet, and we are going to use the plier for the bending purpose. We should be careful while bending the sheet as the edges are sharp and we may hurt ourselves. So like this we are gonna bend all the other parts. So after bending we are gonna hammer down the edges so that the edges become smooth and it became convenient for use. So now our final product is ready for use.